Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, a polling agency has surveyed 1,000 adults and asked them, are you satisfied with the quality of air in this city? And of those surveyed, 78% responded that they were satisfied. And based on this, which of the following out of 1, 2, and 3 can be true? So let's go through these options, and if we find something wrong with them, then we know they cannot be true statements based off of the information we've been given. So firstly, of all adults in the city, 78% are satisfied with the quality of air in the city. So the problem with this is that we are taking the number that was taken from a survey, which is just a small portion of the population, and saying that exactly that amount is going to be true for the entire city. What we could say is, of all the adults in the city, we would expect 78% to be satisfied, but we can't say definitively that it would be 78%. So 1 cannot be true. So, in 2, if another 1,000 adults selected at random from the city were surveyed, 78% of them would report that they are satisfied with the quality of air in the city. So this is sort of a similar problem. This is a different population. So we could say, yeah, we would expect 78%, but saying 78% of them would report that they're satisfied is too definitive for a conclusion of a study. And for number 3, if 1,000 adults are selected at random from a different city, 78% of them would report that they are satisfied with the quality of air in the city. Not even getting into the same problem as the first two, you can't conclude information about a different city from the information of another city without being told that their populations are similar. So 3 cannot be true either, and 1, 2, and 3, or I should say 3 could be true, but none of these must be true, so our answer is none. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.